Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Spendee Budgeting App. Review my usage experience. Spendee Budgeting App. Review my usage experience offers a personal finance management solution designed to help users track their spending, create budgets, and achieve their financial goals. It's targeted at individuals and families who want to better understand their finances. Key features include expense tracking, budget creation, and financial report generation. Their website provides details on additional features like account linking and various visualization tools. Spendee positions itself as an intuitive and easy-to-use budgeting app. Their website emphasizes ease of use and claims no hidden fees. They offer various subscription tiers. Pricing details are clearly outlined on their site. They use a straightforward approach to tracking transactions, allowing users to manually enter data or connect bank accounts, where supported. Availability is global, and you can check their website for compatibility with your specific bank or financial institution. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Spendee. Getting started was a breeze. The onboarding process was straightforward, and I was able to link my checking account within minutes. The interface is clean and intuitive. I particularly appreciate the visual representation of my spending categorized by type, which made identifying areas where I could cut back very easy. I found the app's speed to be excellent. It responded instantly to my inputs. I was able to easily create a budget for groceries, entertainment, and transportation, and the app automatically tracked my spending against these categories. I even had a quick question about linking a credit card, and their support responded within a day via email. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was. The standout feature for me was definitely the personalized financial reports, providing clear insights into my spending habits. One minor drawback was the lack of a dedicated mobile app, though the web app is responsive. It took me a little while to get used to the advanced settings, but once I did, it was very powerful. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Spendee. It's helped me gain a much clearer picture of my finances, and I've already started making adjustments based on the insights it provided. That's my overview of Spendee Budgeting App. Review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.